Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Cash. Thank you so much for joining me here. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Quick look here at Cardano. We're going to double check a couple of things. Got this request from one of our community members here, Taxi, I believe. Just consistently wanted to find out about this coin where we're at. So we did have basically a bearish back test, so this ascending trend line, and we were trying to break through this descending trend line, but haven't yet. So there's a lot of the reasons why Cardano is not in the clear yet, pending Bitcoin pulls its head successfully from its ass. We very well could see Cardano continue to recover, but between now and then, a lot of it's up to Bitcoin and the CPI data tomorrow. A lot of different things that are going to factor in, especially that of Bitcoin halving coming up here in a couple weeks or less. So again, just some friendly advice: be very careful trading coins right now. We're really kind of just limiting our trades, even though we've been fairly successful with a short from ICP, 32%, and a phantom long, roughly 31%. We took that trade yesterday. We're steering clear of Cardano because this coin, coincidentally, is one of the few coins we've had to take a loss on this month. Okay, so either way, you're welcome. If you're new to the channel, welcome aboard. Thank you so much for joining me here. CryptoCash.tech is a site link down below if you want to join our Trading Academy community and be part of those signals. Those are fully automated, both day trades and swing trades. Taking a quick look here, though, at liquidation this last 7 days, we can see tons of liquidation occurred here at about that 5.9, basically 60 cents mark. So 59 to 60 cents, heavy concentration liquidation. Upwards of about 62.5 got liquidated too, but there's some late shorts here entering the market doing moderately well. There's also some longs from the recent past, about 56 cents. So 56 and 63 are two round numbers of liquidations. 63 is this guy right here, and the lower level is right there below just the most recent low. So again, we're kind of smack dab right in the middle of this, sort of within reason, I mean, plus or minus, but the key takeaway here is that there's a lot of volume at about 60 cents. That's somewhat of a support, somewhat of a resistance level. It's important we close above 60 cents today. Really, that's just kind of the truth of the matter here. So take a look at larger time frames. Let's quickly touch on Elliott Wave. We have finished our full wave all the way 1 through 5 and A through C. So at this point here, it doesn't necessarily mean that's a guarantee, but it's common for a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to start after an ABC has been completed. So just keep in mind we could be in the beginning of a nice little uptrend. You never truly know. A lot of it depends on candlestick closures today, but also once more Bitcoin not being a complete pain in the butt. So take a look here. MACD's trying to converge, hasn't fully yet. So we don't want to assume that'll happen, but the convergence is a very good sign, especially with us breaking free from this recent range here. And it's important that we know that because we've now established higher highs and higher lows. Smaller time frames will be easier to identify that, but we're under 50 on the RSI here. Even though stochastic's swinging up, we're not out of the doghouse yet. So that in conjunction with being below 2 of the 4 moving averages, we're just barely above the 100. It leads me to believe that we're in decent shape, but we're not in great shape. Okay, so it's kind of like fair to middling on the daily time frame. A lot of conflicting factors. If you've been watching me for a while, or even if you're just brand new, when you trade into conflicting factors, it doesn't make a ton of sense. It's like being unconfident in your decision to do anything. If you have confidence, you're going to do better with it, right? Same thing here. I want to have confidence in my trades when I take them, and there's not a lot of exuding, not a lot of the conditions right now exude positive contributing factors. To me, that's just the daily so far. It can change, but generally speaking, when there's a bearish/bullish daily time frame, it doesn't necessarily work out in either direction. 4-hour time frame is a little more telling. We're kind of, again, between all moving averages. Again, we're above the 50 and the 20, which is okay. It's a consolation, but MACD is trying to diverge, hasn't fully yet. Stochastic is diverging. RSI is getting closer to 50, and Money Flow Index is pulling back. This is not, again, a bearish sign. It's just not bullish, okay? There's no way you can construe this as a very positive contributing factor. The one thing you could construe this as is that it is positive in a sense, right? We got this ascending trend. So if we can hold this ascending trend and continue to establish higher lows, we'll know that we're still moving towards that break of that resistance range and a solid consideration for further upside. Again, closing today at 60 cents or higher is extremely important. We take a look at the hourly. We'll probably confirm that too with the cloud here. And this is one of the few coins that's actually still above the cloud. Well, it's within, but above-ish. What I mean by that here is if we take a look at the cloud, we can kind of see we're riding the lightning right there. We got a good decent amount of support, tentatively, with this ascending trend line, right? You'll notice the cloud tends to run concurrent with trend lines. And that's exactly what it is. It's a good indicator to kind of help you visualize where you should and shouldn't be. We've also got the lagging span, which is free and clear of the price action, but it's really not all that beneficial at this point. Really, just kind of clarifying that we have bearish momentum, but we haven't fully confirmed yet. In other words, lagging span and the conversion line and the baseline are both intersecting. It's basically neutral. So we got a bearish sign, a bullish sign, and a neutral sign. What the hell do you do with that? You just don't do anything with it. That's what you do, folks. But what I can say here is that, Cardano is kind of on the edge of disaster here, but if we can hold this trend line and maintain 60 cents, 60.5 today, I think we'll be in a solid chance to be able to, continue to ascend, break this macro descending trend line, and break back up above the, this bearish backtest that we see. We got rejected pretty hard off that level at about 62 cents. So really, for me to have confidence with this trade, I would say we need 61 or 62 cents at the very least to occur in the next couple of days in order for me to have confidence to take it on long. I'll probably avoid taking along with this coin for a long time. Honestly, I don't really like it. And the truth is, I don't like it because of this price action, not because of anything fundamentally in the back end. So, maybe don't get upset or frustrated by me saying that I don't like a coin based on its TA. That's totally separate than whatever this coin has to offer. All right, folks, I hope you learned something here today. Thank you so much for watching. Again, cryptocash.tech is a site linked down below if you're curious to become a better member or better trader, rather, and a member. That's synonymous. And I do appreciate you watching. Thanks so much again. Don't forget to like, comment below. And of course, if you want to become a better, more consistent trader with a nice exchange, cryptocash.tech is a site linked down below for all of our partnership affiliations with Bitunix and otherwise. So cool stuff there. Check it out. I get the question a lot, so I figured I'd say it. Thank you so much. Well, have yourself a great rest of the day. We'll see you next one. Take care.